First, we will cover some vaporized hydrogen peroxide theory, and then we do some practical example calculations with the simulator. And finally, if you have some questions, I can try to provide answers to them. Okay, so this simulator, you can find a link from the materials, but it's h2o2 calculator.vaisala.com. So recommendation is to use your desktop environment and a browser. So in this desktop environment, I recommend to use Chrome or Edge browser. And if you want to use it with your mobile phone, you can scan that QR code. It leads directly into the calculator page. And if you're using Android phone, use Chrome browser, and if iPhone, then Safari is the preferred option.